I'm really going to talk about what it's like to write a book, in particular for a scientist to write a book intended for the general public. Now, the important thing, and I think this is about anybody wanting to write a nonfiction book, is you have to choose your story carefully and make sure it has good characters in it. Because you're going to be spending, in writing such a book, you're going to be spending a couple of years at least with these characters. And you better like them. You better be interested in them. Otherwise, it's really a drag. But if you do like them, then it's fun. It's fun to wake up in the morning, go to your word processor, collect your information, your data, and see what's going to happen. In a way, you live with these people. They become your friends. And you see them struggling, but you have the added benefit of knowing how it's all going to work out. In this case, I really enjoyed it because the people I was writing about were my heroes in a way from the past, people like Bohr and Pauli and Heisenberg. Intellectual heroes, not necessarily personal heroes. And the time I wrote about was 1932, just before Hitler came in. So you can see them talking to one another, writing to one another, and you say, didn't they see it coming, you know? So my 60-second moral is, by all means, write a book. It's fun. But if you're going to write a book about nonfiction, pick your story carefully and pick your people carefully, because they're going to be your companions for a couple of years. Thanks.